Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be learning about if else condition. So I'll be posting back to back videos so that we can move into the fun part, which is building the real apps. So come on, let's deep dive into Xcode. As you know, subscribe to the channel. So now let me tell you about the if else conditions. For example, let me make a variable here which is for age equals 21 or 18. Now we want to check that you can apply for driving license or not. So if I will check if age is greater than 18, then I will say print you can drive. Okay, run this and we got no output because 18 is not greater than 18. But when I add an equals here and when you run this, you can drive because 18 is not greater but yes equals to 18. But what if age is less than 18? So when the age is less than 18, we can handle that condition as well, which will go into this else block. Print you need to wait some time. Run this. What happened? I don't know what the error was, but okay, you need to wait some time because 15 is less than 18, right? So in this way we use if and else. So what if you have many more conditions that you need to check? So what we can do is, if you want, you can add here else if, which will check for any other condition. What if age is greater than 17, not 17 but 16? Let me do one thing, let me remove this and let me add 18, not 18 but 17. And let me add one more thing here, which is the AND operator, which we have learned in the operators video. If you haven't checked the operators video, I will recommend you to check the operators video from the iCard coming here and then come back to this video. And age less than 18, no, sorry, 19. So what I'll say is print just wait for one more year. All right, and let me run this, and you need to wait for some time because 15 is small than 18. And if you go with 17, I think you need to wait for some time, but when you come with 18, you just need to wait for one more year. And when you change this to 19, you can drive. So based on this value, the conditions will be checked. Okay, so this is if and else if. So if and else if we use in many cases, like while rendering the UI also. If the user is logged in, then you need to show this view. If user is not logged in, then show the sign up page. Okay, in many ways we use this if condition in the UI part also, in the logic part also, but the basic concept is the same. If check the statement, do this. Else if check the condition, do this. If all the conditions are not met, then we'll give a else block. If nothing works, then finally do this. So that's all for this video. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.